But I've got a first bit of movement on the Berlingo, so let's have a little look, see what's been done. Well, the main thing on this van is it needed a bit of welding at the front. Underneath it is clean as a whistle, but it needed the inner arches doing. So Martin's done that one because there was a massive hole there, and he's done that one because there was a massive hole down there. That is just a case of putting the front end back on it again. And then we've got to try and get it started because it's still not run yet. So we need to find out why it's not running, but that bit's done. So once you've got it running, try and figure out what else it needs for MOT, and then we'll get it painted. Actually, whilst we're with the van, I want to show you how clean inside the rear is on this. Look at that. It's all been newly plied. Under here is the same. Brand new ply underneath. So this thing is, you know, this thing's ready to work once it's done.